Hello guys, welcome back. So today is a simple full coverage makeup tutorial. If it is your first time here, my name is Chelsea. You're welcome. So if you want to see how I got this glam, keep on watching. Please, before you go, if you haven't subscribed, hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one.
Saying Mike's about to blow though. Tell me something that I don't know. The crowd bouncing like bogles. You can come on the tour bus, just please no photos. Up the ride like Somo, cause we be going off on the off nights. Cause I've been on every single song.
I'll be using this eye pencil from Focaluri in the shade 03. I like this eye pencil because it has screw to it. That's one thing I like with this eye pencil. I did a video of when I use all these eye pencil, and I said in that video that it was darker. It was a little bit dark for me, but I still want to use it. Since then I haven't used it, so I want to use it today to fill my brows. It's dark anyway. You guys can see that it's really dark. Oh, that's one thing with this thing. It breaks so easily. Just have to bring little out and be careful. I don't want this makeup look to be too long, so let me just fast and do my brows off camera, because you guys have seen me do my brows so many times. So let me just do this one off camera, then I'll be right back. So I've done my brows off camera. I couldn't use only the eyebrow pencil from Focaluri. I added this one, so I use this too. So I want to move on to my lid, but before then I'm going to add this oil. It does the work of balancing oiling skin. So I'm just going to turn little on my pan, little drop like this. Voila. Like that on my palm, and just massage that my skin. So I'm going to start with my eyes. I'm going to apply concealer on my lid. I'm using this concealer. I'm going to apply that all over my lid. Today is a rainy day here in France. It's a rainy day today. It has been raining since morning. It's a rainy day today. Rain, 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 rain. Concealer I added was too much, but never mind. I'll be using this one from Revolution and this one from Zoe. I'm going to take this very shade here. It's called Brownie. I'm going to pack it much on my lid like this, and I'm using this brush from this one is S-Mass Design. It's kind of a flat brush. This is brown. It is showing like take another brush without anything. I'm just going to try to like blend the upper side to spread the eyeshadow. Now take another tiny brush. This one is from BH105. Like I'll take this shade here. I'm going to use that to blend the upper side. My brow bone area. So that is it. You guys know the game. So let me do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. I want to draw a wing, and I'll be using this eyeliner. I don't want to draw it out, just something to cover my lashes. I'm going to apply this on my face, just little drop. like this. It's okay. That's okay. I'll massage it and press that on my skin. This is the foundation I'll be using today from Kiss Beauty. The shade is 01. And I'll use this brush. This one is from Reed Technique. I like this foundation. The foundation is full coverage. I'm going to contour with this. For some time now, I'll be using this contour stick from Fenty Beauty. And this is the shade Trophy. My nose area. Like so. And I'll be using concealer. Just going to like so, the bridge of my nose and little here. I don't want much. Then my chin. Then this around my matte area, which is those areas I want the light to reflect my face. First, I'm going to use that same brush to blend it. So I started doing this using brush to blend my concealer before using beauty blender. I found out that the concealer stay in place than when I just go direct to my beauty blender to blend contour. Just try to blend everything. I'll be using this setting powder. This one is from Miss Rose. I got this powder, it's loose powder from AliExpress. So I want to try it today. I think I've used it before. This is the shade. I think I've used it before. I've forgotten if I liked it or not. I can't really remember, so I want to try it again. Let's try it. It has this kind of rose, kind of peach. You guys can see it. That's the color. Let's try and use that to set and see. One thing I like is not patchy like when I use that of Fenty Beauty. I don't know. It's kind of patchy when I use it under my eye. It squeezes my skin. I've been using it for some time now. Each time I find out that it squeezes my skin. But this one is not, it's cheap, but it's not doing the same thing. And it's a little bit different from that. You can see under my eye. The day I will use the one of Fenty Beauty, I will show you guys under my eye. You see, squeeze under my eye. Can be good for you, but it's not good for me. If the one of Fenty Beauty I'm pressing here like this, you see that it's squeezing my skin. But see, this one is very smooth. Fenty Beauty, that first foundation that came out, when I use that foundation, yes, it's foundation. When I use that foundation, the next morning you will see acne all over my face. That's the first one. Since then, that is why I did not buy the rest of them, because I did not even use it much. So why spending money on something you know you will not use? So that is why I did not buy any other one. Although the rest that came out, I didn't buy any one. Just because of that fact. If it is the one of Fenty Beauty and packing like this, oh, believe me, you will see under my eyes so cakey. So I'm going to use this bronzer from BH. Where is the shade? Cocoa Cute. So I'll use that to bronze my face with this brush. The rain is still falling. Today is a rainy day. It's a rainy day in Paris. It's a rainy day. It's a rainy day in Paris. It's a rainy day. I will use this orange shade. If you like, you can end it here with your eyes. Just add mascara. But you guys, I'm going to add falsies. Use this powder to set the look of my face. I'll add blush. To highlight my face, I'll be using this highlighter from Focally. Yeah. Let's see. Good. I like them. Then I'll add mascara to my bottom lashes. Take the orange shade and press that on my teardrop. Set my face with this setting spray. Use brown lipstick. Alright guys, I will see you guys in my next one. I hope you like this video. Please, before you go, don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like it, and I will see you guys. Bye.